Hello, and welcome to Inglês Hoje e Sempre podcast, your daily dose of motivation to learn English with confidence. I'm iDocs. And today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest challenges for English learners, the fear of speaking. But don't worry, I'm here to help you overcome it. Let's start with a powerful quote. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Nelson Mandela. Think about this for a moment. You may feel afraid to speak English, but that fear doesn't mean you can't do it. The real courage is taking action despite the fear.
Of course, following these steps and tips, you can become fluent in 3 months. 1. Practice. Speaking daily. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll get. Even if you don't have a partner, speak to yourself or record your voice. 2. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This helps you form sentences more naturally. 3. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases regularly, especially ones related to topics you enjoy talking about. 4. Embrace mistakes. Mistakes are a part of learning. Focus on getting your message across rather than being perfect. 5. Shadowing technique. Listen to native speakers, podcasts, shows, YouTube, and mimic their pronunciation and intonation. 6. Ask questions. When talking to others, ask questions to keep the conversation flowing and give yourself more chances to speak. 7. Focus on fluency, not grammar. It's okay if your grammar isn't perfect. Aim for fluency first. Grammar will improve over time. 8. Join English communities. Engage with English-speaking groups online or in person to practice in a more natural setting. 9. Prepare for common situations. If you know you'll need English in certain situations, e.g., traveling, interviews, ordering food, practice those scenarios beforehand. 10. Positive mindset. Confidence comes from within. Remind yourself that you're learning and improving every day.
Remember, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Every word you speak, every mistake you make, and every conversation you try is a step forward. Don't wait until you feel ready, because the truth is, you become ready by starting. So go out there, speak boldly, and let the world hear your voice. You've got this, and I believe in you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep shining. See you soon. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with someone who needs a little confidence boost, and leave a review. Your support helps this podcast grow and reach more learners like you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep shining. See you next video.